Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set up a 3-node Proxmox cluster, step by step. Let's take a quick look at our setup. Proxmox Node 1. This server has a Windows 2025 virtual machine with VM ID 100. Proxmox Node 2. No virtual machines are running here. Proxmox Node 3. This one also has a VM, and it's using the same VM ID 100, which we'll need to fix later. Start by logging into Proxmox Node 1. Click on Data Center, then head to the Cluster tab. Click Create Cluster, give your cluster a name. In my case, I named it GTO Cluster, and click Create. You'll now see that the cluster is successfully created. Now let's add Node 2 to this cluster. On Node 1, click on Join Information. Copy the cluster details. Then go to Proxmox Node 2. Click on Data Center, then go to the Cluster tab and click Join Cluster. Paste the copied join information. Enter the root password of Node 1, then select the cluster network and click Join. If your session expires during the process, just log in again. You should now see that Node 2 has successfully joined the cluster. Next, let's prepare Node 3, which has a VM with the same ID as Node 1. Proxmox doesn't allow duplicate VM IDs in the same cluster, so we need to change the VM ID. First, power off the VM. Then clone it using a new VM ID and name. In this demo, I'm using VM ID 101. Here's the command to clone the VM. Wait until the cloning process completes. Now clear the terminal and delete the original VM using this command. Now let's try to add Node 3 to the cluster using the same join process as before. But we hit an error. Proxmox won't allow a node to join if it still has local VMs to prevent conflicts or data loss. Now we need to delete the VMs inside Node 3. Before deleting the VM on Node 3, let's back it up. Use Node 3's terminal and run this command. Wait for the backup to complete. You'll now see the backup file stored in the local disk's backup folder. Now delete the VM on Node 3. With all VMs deleted, try joining Node 3 again. This time, it works. You'll now see all 3 Proxmox nodes listed together in the same interface, fully clustered. Now let's restore the VM from backup. Use this command. Once it's done, power up the restored VM, and you're all set. That's how you successfully set up a 3-node Proxmox cluster, handle VM ID conflicts, and back up and restore VMs during the process. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.